Thinking about installing solar? Beware of misinformation on solar energy installations. Your trusted electric cooperative is here to assist you with your energy management, especially when it comes to solar energy. They can explain the rate structure for your services, the charges likely to be incurred, and your compensation for unused excess energy generated by your system. The co-op can also walk you through interconnection agreements and purchase power policies. They can help get your past usage data or forecast future usage to size the system properly and optimize your saving potential. Don't spend more on a system than you can save. Here are 5 things to think about before you install panels at your home or business. Installers who make false claims about excessive annual utility rate increases. Deceptive tactics often include forecasting utility rate increases at 2 and 3 times that of past increases. Ask your electric cooperative about historical rate increases and potential future rates. Installers who say not to contact your electric cooperative. Your co-op is your trusted energy partner, and any attempts to shield you from interacting with the co-op is a warning sign. Refer to the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners at nabcep.org to locate certified installers and practitioners in your area. Misleading projected savings. Your contractor should be using the electric cooperative's buyback rate for excess generation, not a default retail rate. Call your cooperative to get an accurate buyback rate. A reputable installer will size your solar system based on your individualized energy usage and give you realistic expectations for savings. Deceptive sales tactics that push you to make a decision or sign a contract before you do your own research. This sometimes leads to a system that does not match your usage and in turn does not end up saving energy. This could also result in long-term payment plans that do not reduce your monthly bills as originally intended. False claims that you will have no utility bills or will make money from energy generated. It is important to understand how much energy you use and produce, as well as when you use energy and how that affects the system's performance. Even when you add costly batteries to offset usage when the sun is not shining, our Midwest winters often cause usage that cannot be offset by shortened sunlight hours and increased cloud cover. If you have questions in your pursuit of generating energy and reducing costs with a solar system, contact your trusted electric cooperative for answers and information.